It's a very interesting choice by Bigatron Alpha here because a lot of teams who have switched around their roster have of course already shown us who the new players are, and we can look forward to seeing how their synergy will match up. But in this case, Bigatron Alpha, these are two names that I don't think we've really heard before. I'm not sure if it's the real IGN, if it's like a different player we've never seen before, if it's actually a player who's hiding their identity. We have no idea. The rest, of course, we know, and I'm glad to see Eman once again. It's been a while since I've gotten to cast one of his games, and Bigatron does have a fun play style, but with new players, it's going to be interesting to see how they take on AI esports today.
A few moments later.
Sinong excited yung makalaban dito ngayon sa SPS Season 6? At kahit hindi sa grupo ninyo, lahat ng team na currently nasa tournament pa rin, excited kayong makalaban?
Para sa akin po, Onyx, Indo, tsaka BTR po.
Mga Indo teams.
Indo teams? Bakit Indo teams last na?
Yeah, boy.
Yung sa BTR po kasi nandun si Light tsaka si Eman. Gusto ko silang balagbagin.
Hindi natin sure si Pamela yun. Hindi natin sure
Si Pamela yun! Si Pamela! Si Pamela!
Ikaw, Jay, ikaw.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Sorry.
Jay, ikaw. Sino Jay?
Sorry. Si Pamela po pala tsaka si Eman.
Rene J, ikaw na Rene J. Sino
Si
excited
Pamela
ka?
din. Gusto mong bigyan? Oo.
So malaban, Tail ID, nakachamba lang naman sa amin yung M6 eh.
Okay.
Hindi na makakaisa ulit.
Tama na, Okay. Para okay na ako doon, tama na, patulugin na natin ang mga to kung matutulog man sila. Kasi baka makita natin magta-timer live na naman tong mga to. Hindi ko alam, maraming pwedeng mangyari. Pero congrats, Aurora! Good night and maraming salamat!
Congrats.
Thank you.
Ano ba yun?